Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is a Born Pretty haul. So this is all stamping plates. So this is 2 orders in one. And yeah, I've messed up again and ordered extra of the same plate as always. So yeah. Just a quick question. When I do my haul videos, do you want me to post pictures at the end or not? I always like to post the pictures at the end in case I go too quick or you want to pause and have a good look at a plate. But if you'd rather me not post any pictures at the end, then I won't. But if you could just let me know down below. So anyway, let's get into it because there is quite a few to get through. So this is an older plate, but I didn't have any Pacific plate for you know, like Thanksgiving. So I thought I would pick up this one because it's got like all like the essential stuff on it. I have actually got one more Thanksgiving plate. It's different to this, it's got different images on, but I thought, like, you know, I could combine the two together. So I thought it was quite cool. So that is BP 191. So I ordered this one. So these are some of the newer ones. So I am still waiting on a plate because yeah, they sent me 2 of the same. Anyway, so this is sweet fruit L001. So this has got to be a new bunch of plates. So this has got watermelons, apples, peaches, got some raspberries, and I mean, how stinking cute are these? Oh, they're so cute. That's like the main reason why I brought the plate. I know it's really bad, but you have this one where you can, you know, reverse stamp it and whatever. So yeah, I mean, look at this. Peachy peach. It's a cheeky peach. So yeah, you've got lots of different sort of fruit on there, which I think is really good. So it's definitely handy for me. So that is that one. Let's just leave it out. Tassels. So this is one in my previous haul that I said that I double ordered. So what I might do is, if you guys are interested, I might do a couple of random giveaways for one of the stamping plates. So it would just be a stamping plate that you would get. But let me know what you think about that. Because I think with everything going on, that's probably the best way for me to do a few little giveaways. I mean, maybe I'll just do one a month or something until all the plates are gone. So if I did do a random giveaway, it would be like just for one stamping plate, if people are okay with that. But anyway, this is the Tassels one. So I already have this, as I said. I double ordered, but it's a really pretty plate. Really pretty. It's got some really nice images on it. Really nice. I really like them, and I said before that I really liked this one, and I do really like that one. It's really nice. So yep, that one can go aside for the random giveaway. And I've got Tropical Punch L005. I have a feeling I have just ordered this one again, so if I have, I would do the same thing. I will have a little box of random giveaway plates and that. So this one is another really pretty one. So you've got lots of different flowers on here, and I like these where you've got like the boat and that. I think it's really nice. You've got different palm trees, but you've got like the waves as well, which I think is really cool. I like this. So yeah, that is Tropical Punch L005. So I have 2 of these, so I will put one aside. All I've done is I've just opened like the tab bit just to check that the plates are not, you know, damaged or anything like that, but that's the only thing I've done with them. So this is Flower Tango L003. So this is what this one looks like. So this one has got some super cute images on it. It's really cute. So you have flowers, and you've got different fruits, and I mean, how cute are these? I like this. It's really cute. Is that a fried egg? I don't know. Maybe it is. You've got this little duck, and you've got these, like, you know, little butterflies, tiny mini ones. And you've got little flowers and everything on this. You've got a little bit of everything on it. So that is that one there. So this is what I mean by I swear I'm losing my mind. So I've ordered 3 of these. So yeah, one is definitely going in the random giveaway. One will probably go in friend mail, and I will keep one. Just don't ask, because I don't know. I don't know what I've been doing. I don't know. Anyway, this is texture L004. So this is this one here. I do hope I haven't ordered this again. So yeah, you've just got a load of texture designs on here. I think it's really cool. I really like it. So yeah, you've got like stitching and everything else on this. I think it's really funky. You could do some really funky designs with this. So yeah, that is texture L004. Texture L006. So this is this one here. Let me tilt it that way and hopefully you can see it a bit better. So yeah, again, you've got like these like paint splatters and some flowers as well, which you could do a little reverse stamping if you wanted to. So yeah, I really like that. I like this one on the side as well. So yeah, you can definitely do a lot with that. I also ordered texture 07. So this is this one here. So it's a bit of sort of like geode plate. I really like this. I have got one other geode plate. I can't remember what brand it is. I think it might be Nicole Diary. I'm not sure. I've got so many stamping plates, I really don't know. But this one, yep, you have all the different sort of like shapes and things. I think it's really cool. So yep, I'm definitely going to use this one soon. So yeah, that is texture L007. Only a couple more to go, 3 more to go. So this is artist 11. I really like this one too. Gives me sort of like Roman vibes. So yeah, I think it's really cool. I really like it. You know, I'm into my like quirky wacky designs, so this one was right up my alley. So yeah, I really like it, really do. I mean, how unusual is this image here? It's like a face with tulips. It's really cool. Same with this one, there's a hidden face in there. It's really cool, really cool. I really like it. So that is artist 11. I also ordered number 12. So this is another sort of geometric type of one, but I really like it. I can never have too many of these plates. I really can't. I'm like addicted to stamping plates. It's an addiction. It really is. Or it's just because I'm, yeah, just obsessed with stamping. So yeah, you have lots and lots of different stuff on here. I like these sort of designs where they're sort of like blocked together. That's really cool. These ones, eye and lips. It's a really cool plate. So that is artist 12, and then the last one is artist 13. So this one is origami. I had to think about that then, but I think it's really cool because you have an origami dinosaur, you've got a rabbit, you've got a hummingbird, you've got a snail, dog, a unicorn, and then you've got these ones up here as well. You've got some flowers, you've got a wolf, I think that's meant to be a fox. I'm not quite sure, it could be a turtle, tortoise, whatever, I don't know. But yeah, it's really cool. So that is artist L13. So they are my my stamping plates for today. So yeah, let me know what you think about the random giveaway for my extra stamping plates. so it would be 3 so far. I just thought it might be, you know, quite nice, because, you know, I'm not rich. I'm trying to do all this on a budget on my own, so I just thought it'd be a nice, like, little, like, ooh. So yeah, let me know what you think, and if you are game to win a stamping plate, then I am game as well. So yeah, it would just be a random video. I don't know which one it would be, who knows, but yeah, it would be completely random. So let me know about these going into 3 random giveaways, and let me know if you still want me to post pictures at the end or not, because I've kind of noticed that people aren't watching like all of the video, and I don't know whether they're just getting fed up with seeing the pictures, or if I'm rambling too much, I don't know. But let me know your thoughts down below, and definitely let me know about these 3 going in random giveaway. Well, thank you so much for watching, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'd love it if you could join me, and yeah, we can just chat, create nails, hang out for a bit. Yep. Anyway, let me know what you think, and give me an answer to the questions if you can. I'd really appreciate it, and yeah, hopefully I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.